Hi guys, welcome back to channel Wagwan Tours. I'm still here in Fuengirola. It's still the morning, but we're going to take a little walk, show you this side. A bit more closer at the shops, the bars, the restaurants, so you can have a little look. Let's see Wagwan. So yeah, I'll show you the menus. If they got a menu, we'll stop and show a menu quickly. So this one. What prices we got? Make sure you can see. Yeah, you can see. There we go. Much better. It's not too bad. Hamburger with fries, $12.90. Not too bad at all. Where was I? I think it was airport. I think I was looking in the airport and stuff. So expensive in airports at the moment. I can't even. They charge like £3.50, €3.50 for a bloody Coke. Ridiculous. This one doesn't have a menu. But yeah. Airports are just the biggest rip-offs. You got to think the people who own the restaurants, they don't pay rent. So the shops have to pay half their earnings straight to the airport. So I guess, you know, you get a high velocity of people every time. Look at that, paninis, €4.50. Not too bad. $5.50 you get a Coke or beer and a panini. Look at that, coffee and a cake, $4.50. Really good prices. Let's check this one out. It's got a menu outside. Very nice. See the prices. Oh, I've got English version as well. Let's get you closer. Yeah, seafood. Yeah, not too bad prices. I mean, tuna tartare 28. I mean, I don't eat that, so I do eat tuna though. But yeah, I don't eat tuna tartare. Oh. She just hit that car. Let's show you. If you're watching this video, this is your car. She just hit your car. I'll show you the number plate of the car so you can see. There you go, guys. She just hit that car. So if you're the owner of that car, she just backed into your car. Yeah, guys. Let's keep going. I hate when people do that. I clip that up and put it onto the Fuengirola pages for everybody. But yeah. It's a nice morning, nice and fresh. Quite like this. Whenever I'm in England, I struggle to breathe sometimes when I'm waking up in the mornings. I get very stuffy. Out here I'm quite clear, nose is clear, everything's clear, very nice. Let's check out this one, what's it saying? Lasagna 14, club sandwich 10, egg and bacon $8.50. That's quite expensive for just egg and bacon, isn't it? Yeah, you can check that menu out. I mean, is it expensive? Maybe, I think so. But then I don't know rent prices at the moment. Like in Turkey, everything's gone up in price, and even housing's gone up in price a little bit for the locals. But their wages have stayed the same. So you've got to think, we're paying maybe £1-2 more for a beer now. Maybe £3-4 more on a meal. Maybe less than that on a meal, I guess. A lot of people do all-inclusive though out in Turkey, so I don't think their prices really affect them too badly. But yeah, quickly show you this one. So yeah, there's a lot of all-inclusives out there. But like I was saying, they didn't really Didn't put the price, the wages up for everybody, so everyone's still struggling. Out there, you have to be with somebody. You have to have a partner, a girlfriend or a boyfriend, to be able to live. Well, she wouldn't be able to afford £300 a month rent. Just think about that. They can't afford a £300 a month rent, which is pretty crazy, because 300 is not a lot of money, is it, in this day and age? And especially now with the amount of money that some of these places are taking. Yeah, there's this place here. Early bird menu. Got a children's menu there. Got the ice cream place here as well. But it's not. Nothing's open till a bit later. Should have had a little walk up these back streets, but leave that for another time. So you got meat, salt. Very nice. Right, so you got the little ice cream shop opening up here. Good morning. So yeah, everything opening up, getting ready for the day. I find recording in Spain very hit or miss with the people. Like in Italy, in Marmaris and Ishmael, wow. Everybody wants you to come into their business. Everyone wants you to film their business. Like, they understand promote. Spain, I don't know. A bit standoffish, aren't they? Some people out there. You've got a... What is this? A church. So yeah, I'll show you the sun. In case you're missing it out in England or wherever you are. Maybe I'll make another video going down the little side road. So, bar patio. People just turning up or just going. Sushi place here as well. So you've got a 1350 menu there, a few little bits on there. Show you the actual menu in there. That's not too bad. $8.90 for a club sandwich. What was that, the last one? 12 for a club sandwich. And you got this place. Oh, look at the sushi, 10-piece, 8-piece, $11.95. It's not too bad. If you watch later on in this series, because this is our mega trip series, where we visit 10 destinations in 2 weeks. So if you watch when we get to Albufeira videos, you'll see there's a sushi place that we go to. We eat from it all the time. I think it's called Albufeira Sushi. And there's quite a few of them dotted around. I think it's about $6.50, something like that, €6.50. And you get a tray of it. I mean, there must be 8 pieces of normal ones. Complete day, 18, not too bad. There you go, guys. There's some prices there if you want scooters. So yeah. This place, like I said, always the drinks are the same, exactly the same prices everywhere. But yeah, Albufeira has the cheapest, some of the cheapest food as far as I was concerned, compared to Spain. But then again, like I said, I don't really know rent prices and what it is for people over there. Let's quickly show you this menu. You can see that quite well. Yeah. Yeah, we're next time you see a live stream, we're going to be in Marbella live stream later on. So it's nice. There's bakery. Need to get a few bits for the coach, for the bus. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. No, I have to work. Sorry.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
No, you don't tell me what to do.
All of the persons.
Not the persons.
Why?
Not the persons.
Okay,
Calm down. Calm down.
It's
Calm
not
down.
possible.
Calm down.
Okay.
Calm down.
I started the phone. It's fine.
Call the police. Call the police.
Okay.
You're on it too. You're on it too. You can't tell me what to do. He doesn't know the law. Can't tell people what to do. As I explained just a minute ago in the same video, how people are out here. They think they can tell you what to do. They can't tell you nothing. I'm on the public path. He thinks the police hasn't passed me 50 times already. So you got a nice big hotel here. See? So you're here trying to promote people, promote their businesses and promote their tourist areas, and look how they treat you. We don't come here to film people. We come here to film businesses, beaches, atmosphere, vibe. And as you can see, how they act. And what's the purpose of these videos? It's to promote tourist destinations around the world, help them bring more people to their country. And that's what we do. We film tourist destinations. So if you don't like it, tough luck. It's absolutely okay to film England, Europe, on the street. Absolutely no problem. And if you don't like it, tough luck. You want to go and speak to your local government and get them to change their laws around filming in public. But there is no laws that prohibits you from filming on the street in Spain. I spoke to a policeman in Magaluf, and he's exactly saying the exact same thing. Absolutely okay to film in public in Spain. I mean, you've got cameras, that's the whole point. Look, there's a camera right there on that lamppost. Why do you think there's cameras? It's because you can film on the street. So, anyway, enough of that. We're going to go to the Mercadona, get ourselves some deodorant for the day, and some water, and check out the sun for the last time in this video. As you can see, look, big camera. You can't film on the streets of that guy, eh? Like I said, it's all about intimidation. That's all that is, intimidation. He thought he could say something, but he's an old man. He gets slapped up, so shouldn't we be talking to young men like that? Especially in this day and age, because people don't have no morals, they don't care, and they just slap you. So be careful, innit, how you talk to people on the street. But anyway, guys, on a positive note, Marbella soon. I'll be doing it all over again. Thanks for watching, yeah?